Welcome back to Finance Mentor Pro. Today, we're diving into one of the most sought-after goals, financial independence. Whether you dream of retiring early, traveling the world, or simply having more flexibility in life, achieving financial independence is all about smart strategies and disciplined financial habits. In this video, I'm going to share with you the top 5 ways to achieve financial independence. Let's jump right into it. 1. Set clear financial goals. First and foremost, you need to define what financial independence means to you. Is it retiring comfortably at 50? Having enough passive income to cover your living expenses? Setting clear and specific financial goals will give you a roadmap to follow and help you stay motivated along the way. 2. Save and invest wisely. Saving is the foundation of building wealth, but it's what you do with those savings that truly matters. Start by creating a budget to track your income and expenses. Aim to save a significant portion of your income, ideally 20% or more, and invest it wisely. Diversify your investments across stocks, bonds, real estate, and retirement accounts to grow your wealth over time. 3. Create multiple streams of income. Relying on a single source of income is risky. To achieve financial independence faster, create multiple streams of income. This could mean starting a side hustle, freelancing in your spare time, investing in dividend-paying stocks, or even renting out properties. The more diversified your income, the more secure your financial future will be. 4. Manage debt effectively. Debt can be a major roadblock on the path to financial independence. Make a plan to pay off high-interest debt as quickly as possible while maintaining a good credit score. Consider consolidating or refinancing loans to lower interest rates and free up more money for saving and investing. 5. Educate yourself and plan long-term. Knowledge is power when it comes to personal finance. Take the time to educate yourself about investing, taxes, retirement planning, and building wealth. Develop a long-term financial plan that aligns with your goals and regularly review and adjust it as needed. Staying informed and proactive will set you up for success on your journey to financial independence. And there you have it, our top 5 ways to achieve financial independence. Remember, achieving financial independence takes time, discipline, and perseverance. Start by setting clear goals, saving and investing wisely, creating multiple streams of income, managing debt effectively, and educating yourself about personal finance. By taking these steps, you'll be well on your way to building a secure financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on achieving financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.